Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down exactly how I get over 50,000 visits per month to my Etsy shop, all organically and all on autopilot. If you're trying to grow your Etsy shop with Pinterest, SEO, and smart strategy, grab a notebook because I'm about to walk you through the full system, step by step. Let's jump right in. Before traffic, before Pinterest, before anything, your shop has to be set up for Etsy search. Here's what I do. I start with keyword research using tools like Everbee, eRank, or even Etsy's own search bar. I look for high search, low competition keywords that fit my product. Then I build every listing around one primary keyword and 2 to 4 related keywords. That keyword goes into my title, first 40 characters, tags, and the first 2 sentences of my description. Why? Because this tells Etsy exactly who to show my product to, which means more traffic every single day. SEO brings visitors to your product, but your listing has to make them click. Here's how I do it. I use clean, bright mockups or product photos. No clutter, no confusion. My thumbnails clearly show what the product is. I add a benefit-driven first line in the description, such as, instantly upgrade your digital planner setup with this customizable, easy-to-use template. I always include multiple images or videos, demos, close-ups, sizing info, and lifestyle photos. This makes shoppers trust the product fast and helps convert traffic into sales. Alright, this is the real magic. Pinterest is not social media. It's a visual search engine. That means your pins can show up for months or even years. Here's exactly what I do. A. I create 5 to 10 Pinterest pins for every single Etsy listing. These include standard vertical pins, idea pins, carousel pins, video pins, super powerful. B. Each pin links directly to my Etsy listing, no website needed. Pinterest allows direct traffic to Etsy, and Pinterest users love Etsy products. C. I use the same SEO keywords on Pinterest that I used on Etsy. That means keyword-rich titles, keyword-rich descriptions, keyword-rich boards. This creates a matching SEO loop. Pinterest, Etsy. D. I pin consistently, not 50 pins a day, just 1 to 5 fresh pins daily or every other day. Consistency beats volume. Step 4. Create content that feeds the algorithm. Pinterest rewards fresh content, so I use templates to create new pins quickly. Change colors, images, or headlines for each version, make simple short video demos of my products, turn customer photos or mock-ups into new pins. Even tiny adjustments count as fresh to Pinterest. This keeps my traffic growing month after month. Step 5. Track what's working and double down. Alright, so here's where the real growth happens. Every 2 weeks, I hop into my Pinterest analytics, just like you're seeing right now, and I look for a few key things. First, I check which pins are getting the most saves. These are usually my strongest designs because saves tell Pinterest, hey, people want this. So if a pin has a spike in saves like the one you see here, that's a sign to create more pins with that exact style or topic. Next, I look at outbound clicks. These are the clicks that send people straight to my Etsy shop. If you look right here, you can see which pins are driving the highest outbound clicks. These are gold because they tell me what shoppers are most interested in buying. I take my top clicked pins and make 3 to 5 new variations of each. Then I check my boards to see which ones are performing best. If a board has higher impressions or engagement, I'll pin more content to that board since Pinterest is clearly favoring it. I also look at top performing keywords in my analytics. You'll see them displayed here under search terms. If certain key phrases are consistently bringing impressions, I make sure those exact keywords appear in my pin titles, descriptions, and Etsy listings. And finally, I connect this data back to my Etsy shop. When a pin is performing well, I check which Etsy listings are getting a boost in visits. If a listing is rising in search or getting more favorites, I know the Pinterest traffic is working, and again, I double down on that product. This simple tracking routine lets me spot what's working fast and scale it without burning out. Here's the secret to consistent Etsy traffic. When you create more listings that target the same customer, every new product boosts the rest. Pinterest pins, drive traffic Etsy listings, feed Etsy SEO, feeds more Pinterest searches. It becomes a self-growing traffic loop. And that's exactly how I get over 50,000 plus visits per month on Etsy using Pinterest and Etsy SEO. No ads, no crazy posting schedule, just a simple system that works consistently. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to make a full tutorial on creating Pinterest pins that go viral. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.